So you might be in a situation where for some reason you're going through on Snapchat and it's for some reason not in full screen mode. So if we make our way over to our Snapchat application here, you might see that on occasion your Snapchat screen may not be completely full screen. It may be stopping here or here. Now, the reason why this may be happening for the majority of people out there is usually due to a weird glitch inside of Snapchat. So this is a good thing in my opinion because this basically showcases that it's really not a problem with you, it's just a problem with them. So all you're going to really have to do here is to go ahead and wait out for a bug fix. I've seen a lot of people actually complaining about this recently, and a reason, like I said, why this is happening is because of weird glitches from Snapchat's, side. So all you're going to have to do is pretty much wait it out. Now, let's say you do that and that actually does not work. Well, the next thing you may have to do for the most part, which I would highly recommend doing, is going through and clicking on your App Store or Google Play Store, just like this. And all you want to do is go and click on search. And all you're going to want to do is just search up one of these applications. So you can just search up Snapchat. And when you do that, what's going to happen is that you will see that Snapchat may actually have an update available for it. So you can see right up here we have Snapchat and there's like a little update. So all you want to do is go and click on update right there. And that is pretty much all you're going to have to do. So if you give it a few moments, it's just going to go ahead and kind of go through and try downloading the latest update. Sometimes it'll fail, so just go and re-download it. This is by far probably the most important things you can try doing. So if you're getting that little error or that little glitch, just go ahead and update Snapchat, and I probably will guarantee you a lot of the time that will probably end up fixing it, and that's probably all you're going to have to do. So if that still doesn't work, another thing I'd recommend doing is just deleting Snapchat and reinstalling it. That may end up working. You can try restarting your phone too, but those are pretty much the main ways to do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.